More than 600 lions are legally killed by trophy hunters every year. Over 60% of them are shipped to the U.S., meaning we are responsible for more than half of their deaths. The senseless killing of Cecil, the Zimbabwe lion, is an example of how desperately lions need protection under the endangered species list. But lions are not alone. Many species, in the United States as well as Africa, are on the brink of extinction due, in part, to trophy hunting. Losing apex predators will seriously impact the ecosystem in which we all live, and in turn, change the world. Through conservation and education, people and animals can coexist. Protecting all species from extinction is a human issue. Contact U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, fws.gov, to speak up for lions and other wildlife at risk of trophy hunting practices. That's fws.gov.